Let's cultivate a meditation hill together. Yamanashi International Meditation Center will be built on an approximately 45 right-wide piece of land, more than 73,000 square meters, located on a hill in Anayama district. This place comprises 4 already constructed buildings, sakura trees, peach trees, and gorgeous green nature. It would help meditation practitioners relax, relieve, and rejuvenate. It would comfort everyone living in Japan who has interest in practicing meditation to reach the inner peace and a better knowledge about themselves. This center will also offer a weekly meditation retreat program to every citizen living in Japan. The program will be conducted in Thai, Japanese, and English. Besides, it will also support various programs, namely the Boys-Girls Summer Meditation Camp, the Summer Novice Ordination Program, Morality Self-Development Program, and etc. We would like to take this opportunity to invite you to join us in purchasing this piece of land. Please contact us, Yamanashi International Meditation Center, at 080-3218-2851, 090-9190-8933.